Have you ever wondered why some people, despite being clearly incompetent, seem to believe they are experts in their field? Welcome to the intriguing world of the Dunning-Kruger effect. This psychological phenomenon, named after psychologists David Dunning and Justin Kruger, describes a curious paradox where individuals with low ability at a task often grossly overestimate their own competence. From corporate boardrooms to social media platforms, this effect is more common than you might think. This intriguing phenomenon can be best understood through a real-life case study. Consider the curious case of MacArthur Wheeler, a man who robbed two banks in broad daylight without wearing any disguise. His strategy was as bold as it was flawed. Wheeler had convinced himself that by smearing lemon juice on his face, he would become invisible to the prying eyes of surveillance cameras. Why lemon juice, you might ask? Well, Wheeler had heard that lemon juice could be used as invisible ink, and he made the leap that it could also render his face invisible on camera, but, as you might have guessed, his plan spectacularly failed. Wheeler was caught the same day, and his lemon juice theory crumbled under the harsh light of reality. This isn't just a tale of a botched bank robbery. It's a striking example of the Dunning-Kruger effect, where one's incompetence is so profound that they can't recognize their own mistakes. Wheeler's case is one of many that demonstrate how the less competent people are, the more they overestimate their abilities. So, to recap, the Dunning-Kruger effect explains why incompetent people often overestimate their abilities. It's a fascinating psychological paradox that's not just about bank robbers, but something that can touch all of us in various aspects of life. Whether it's in our professional careers, personal hobbies, or social interactions, it's a widespread phenomenon that can lead us astray. Stay curious and remember, the first step towards competence is recognizing our own limitations.